Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's also rear parking sensors. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the top of the range 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 13,500 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.